Hey guys, Trevor here with Detailed Solutions, the new standard. Established in 2013, our motto is quality over quantity. Founded by one man with a dream in a lonely underground parking stall, Detailed Solutions has since grown into a premium brand with world-class products and services. All right, so I'm here today to talk to you about one of our detailing products called Secret. Secret tire dressing can improve the appearance of any vehicle by enhancing and protecting the tires with a medium gloss finish. No detail is complete without Secret. It will transform the appearance of any weathered looking tires and make them basically look like new. You can also use Secret on exterior plastics and rubber pieces and help rejuvenate the appearance of it. Just spray generously on the desired area or apply it with an applicator pad to enjoy your Secret results. Before applying Secret, we need to make sure that the tires and wheels are completely clean. It should be the last step in the process of detailing or cleaning your vehicle. Now that we've got the wheels and tires nice and clean, you can spray Secret directly onto the tires. However, in this instance, because this Huracan has really low profile tires, we do recommend using an applicator pad. So we're gonna take our Secret and spray generously onto the applicator pad. I've sprayed it onto the narrower side because the larger side will end up spreading it everywhere. A little bit closer to the tread. So after applying the tire dressing, if you did get some on the wheels, you want to make sure that you clean it off with a dry, clean microfiber. If you leave it on the wheel, it could attract dust and brake dust and whatnot. So you'd want to wipe off any excess if you see any on the wheel. All right, so now we're going to demonstrate how to use Secret on the rubber molding. So as you can see, the rubber molding on the rubber molding here has started to become kind of a gray color, and we're going to be using Secret to help moisturize and rejuvenate that. So there we go. I'm going to spray Secret generously onto the applicator pad. I'm going to use the narrow side here again, just so that we can avoid any overspray or over application. So Secret easily rejuvenates your tires as well as your exterior rubber and plastic trims. As you saw, it was super easy to use, super quick to apply, and leaves your surfaces looking stellar and for a very long time. Get your car detailed at Detailed Solutions.